How was your day today? Let me ask you that.
Today?
Yeah, how was your day?
It was a good day.
Yeah?
We woke up.
Yeah? Woke up?
Yeah, woke up.
Probably because, you know, you're a speed shop, so you probably got some parts in.
A few.
Like motors,
yeah.
You know, for jobs.
I actually did. I got 2 in today.
2, huh?
Yeah.
What, was one of them red?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
So what does that go to?
It goes to old Blackie here.
No, it doesn't. I don't believe that for a second.
It's on the stand over there. I told you we may be able to make something happen. I think that was my exact words.
No problem.
We'll see what happens.
I don't know how you feel about that. But Friday. 7 days. I mean, I don't know how your knees are feeling nowadays. But you know, maybe your elbows too, but that's gonna hurt.
Yeah.
That's gonna hurt. What happened here looked like maybe Martin McFly came and tried to go 88 right to your door or something. Looked like something like that happened.
Oh yeah. You know where that came from.
Oh, I do. Am I allowed to even go in here?
Not really. That's breaking point.
Look at him in there, chilling, just hanging out. Yep, he sees me. He sees me. That's obviously not it. But this either goes to that vet or it goes to something else entirely different. But I am guessing that this is gonna go to the vet. Looks fresh. This would be cylinder number 8, where the damage was, and looks pretty good. So I don't know, like I said, I don't know if this is for his car at all, or if they're just playing mind games with me. What you gotta understand about my dad is that he loves mind games. He just loves to make it hard and difficult for me to know something going on with this car, just to mess with me, really. I mean, I see the motor, yeah. I don't see the heads. I mean, I don't see like 15-inch conversion stuff anywhere. I mean, it could be hiding anywhere really in this. Maybe this Tremec box. There might be 15-inch conversion stuff in there, but nope. I came to give Abe a goodbye present for his going away trip, and I forgot that he's supposed to be already gone. Did you miss your trip? Did you miss your flight?
Missed his plane. He missed his plane, so back. He's leaving first thing in the morning.
Oh, first thing in the morning. Do you need someone to look after the shop while you're gone?
Here he's going to the beach.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Now, I can come by and like check on like the snake and stuff. You know,
You wouldn't
make sure
check
the
on it.
crocodiles. I'll make sure that the crocodiles fed every day. Whatever you need, buddy. I'm all for it. Can we get past this and just
What?
talk about the elephant in the room?
Where is it?
It's 7 days is gonna be rough. Oh, we got a little chili contender. Is this a chili contender?
Yep.
What's your thing set on?
This is for the mini race.
The mini race?
Mini racing.
I hope Adon's not watching this video. That's how he likes them though. Low and slow. How much throttle was that?
That was to the floor. That was,
No, it wasn't.
that was past the floor.
It's over. It's over. It's over.
That was it.
Isn't this turbo too?
That was it. That was all it had. It has a little turbo, a little hair dryer, one of them little compact models.
Oh, yeah.
That you carry with you when you go out of town.
Comes on a keychain.
Comes on a keychain.
I was not as terrified as I was when I was in Chile. were almost drifting there. Out here in good old Mexico City, where you can go to the gas stations like Sunoco. No! Is it spin tire?
No spin tire.
Little Fiat. Got a little bit of power. Don, you gotta clean some of these bugs off. Not bad. I'm gonna leave. Feel free to work on your vet while I'm gone.
We got brakes out. Rotate some tires.
Okay, yeah.
Change some oil.
Good. Sure.
I'm just working on old trucks. It's truck weekend.
Yeah.
I'm working on nothing but trucks all week.
Yeah, I see that. That's cool, yeah. Don't worry, I won't be back later or nothing, you know?
Guys coming to pick my car up to detail it.
Yeah. Yeah. What shop is that going to?
Detail shop.
What?
It's called the detail shop.
Is it like north,
I'm not sure
south?
where it's at. He's gonna come pick it up.
Do you have an address?
No.
Oh. Okay. There's one of those shops.
Yeah. Yeah, he comes to you and you don't have to go to your shop.
Right. Yeah, I'm sure that's the case.
Seems trustworthy.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm real sure that's the case. Alright. Got the truck and trailer loaded. I don't know if I mentioned it to you guys already or not, but we're going to go show off the cars at the local Paul Walker Dig Night event this weekend. I'm gonna get this trailer home. Okay, so it's the next day. Got the trailer home. It's all loaded, ready to go. The Bullet is inside. Got the Great Dane all packed up. Look who it is, Mr. Harry himself. He's gonna come hang out with us today. What's up, boy? What you doing? Huh? Brought the old Cadillac, huh?
Yeah.
That's good. That's good.
Run a 9.
Yeah?
Yeah, playing.
Yeah.
Bought the slicks. So
Oh man, slick time, huh?
I wish I had slicks.
How do you feel? We gotta feel it out first. But how do you feel if I give you a chance to drive the Bullet on wastegate today?
How do I feel? I feel pretty excited.
Let's get that reaction going. So we're gonna feel it out first. We're gonna see what the track's like, but I think I'm confident enough to let you drive it. It's just on wastegate. It's only gonna make like 5 pounds, but it's probably gonna run like a 9.5.
Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised.
So, have you ever driven that fast?
Not 9.5, but the fastest I drove was like 11.0.
Okay, it's gonna be a little different for you.
Yeah.
Especially, I mean, on the trans brake, out of the hole, it's gonna feel magical, bro.
Yeah,
You're gonna be floating in the air with it.
You're gonna make me get an F-body.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah.
That's the goal for. That's my goal for today.
Okay. You're probably gonna win this bet.
So yeah, we're gonna get ready. You guys are gonna see. This is gonna be the end of this video. Here, we're gonna wrap it up, but stay tuned for the next video. It'll be the track event at Houston Raceway Park for the Paul Walker event, featuring yours truly. Harry's gonna come hang out with us, and little baby Bullet Jr. over here. Bullet Jr. over here. So that's it for now. We're gonna get to the track.